We're here at the solar test home. One of the things we want to show is the Fujitsu mini split air conditioning heat pump systems. Right here on the wall we have the evaporator system. There's one mounted in each room of the home. These systems operate both heating and air conditioning, and they allow the customer to adjust temperature zone-wise in each room. So they can have the comfort system, the comfort level, wherever they want to have it in each room of the home. These systems are very, very quiet. The remote I'm holding here is the thermostat. They actually can adjust temperature, adjust fan speed using this control. The control actually doesn't maintain the temperature. When you adjust the temperature on this, it actually sets the temperature inside the unit. So the temperature will always maintain, add to your air coming back to the air handling system. This particular system here is our air quality system. This will actually take out dirt, dust, mold, viral, even smells in the home. So if you're cooking fish or something like that, it will take out the smells in the home. One of the reasons they use this in the solar home is because of as you can see, there's no ductwork. With ducted systems, you have duct loss up to 30%. With these systems here, there are no duct loss, which brings them up to very high efficiency. And also, by doing that, you can put smaller systems in and be able to heat or cool larger spaces with smaller systems, which again helps with your efficiency. The particular system they used here in the solar home here is what we call our multi-zone system, where we have one condensing unit outside, but we can do multiple heads inside. That also helps bring up the efficiency. The system outside will actually adjust and the compressor will variate depending on the demand that this particular system is asking for to give the utmost comfort level in the home. Upon installation of the Fujitsu system, once the system was fired and ran, they noticed a decrease in the heating by 65%. Again, that is due to the ductless, being able to get the comfort level and the variable outdoor unit. The coldest temperature here that the temperatures dropped outside has been 11 degrees. At that time, the air coming out of these heads were 121 degrees. That gives you a very good idea of the efficiency and what these units can actually do. These two condensing units are controlling the 7 evaporator heads that are inside the home. Right now, while we're talking, this unit is actually operating while we're talking. Again, these units are very, very efficient, very quiet. The compressors in these systems are what we call inverter technology. They're a variable compressor that will actually ramp up and down depending on the demand that's being asked for by the heads that are inside. Meaning if one head is operating, that the unit will actually modulate way down, give you just the BTUs that you need to heat that space, or if all the heads are operating at the same time, it will ramp up to actually take care of all of those rooms at the same time. These actually operate at a much lower capacity on your electricity, giving you more efficiency and using less electricity in the system. That's why the solar home decided to use these. These condensing systems, as you can see, are much smaller than normal condensing unit systems that are on the market today. They can actually be mounted on the floor. They can be mounted up on a shelf like these are here. They can be mounted on a roof. The reason these are mounted up a little bit higher is we're in Salt Lake City, Utah, where we get a pretty good snowpack. Since these are heat pump units, we don't want these getting buried with snow. We want to have complete access. Also, by doing this, these units are mounted up in a shelf to where on the back side of the home they're not even visible. So it allows, because of the size, that these systems can be mounted in almost any situation.